whistle, whistle all day long. I hope, I hope, I hope, I hope, I hope. It's on from work we go. Just whistle, whistle all day long. I hope, I hope, I hope, I hope.
Well, lads, it was a good day's work.
It could have been better.
I'm so hungry. What's for dinner, I wonder?
Same thing we always have.
Soup! Soup always tickles my throat when I sniff it.
I'm tired. I'm gonna take a nap.
My soup's always cold by the time we get around to eating it.
Just think of the energy we'd have if we had real food to eat.
What we need is a cook. My boot, where's my boot? Have you lost your senses? You're wearing it. No, the one I left on the ground. It's not here. My rusty old lantern, it's gone. Gone?
Where's my old shovel?
Gone too? My pick with the broken handle. Gone? Someone's been here.
Ooh.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Did you hear that, lads? Someone's in our cottage.
I heard something about a diamond. It's a thief come to rob us.
Rob us.
Or a monster. Maybe we should run away.
A monster? I won't get far. There's only one thing to do, lads. Run and hide? Nonsense. We advance and investigate. If necessary, we attack. You're not afraid, are you?
No, we're not afraid.
Great. Follow me. Prepare to meet the monster.
Prepare to meet the monster.
Here now. What's this? That's better. Quiet now. Tiptoe.
Hello. I didn't mean to frighten you. Please don't be afraid of me. Won't you come out where I can see you? My name is Snow White, Princess Snow White. The enchanted vixen showed me the way here. She thought you could do with a bit of help. I'm a good cook, and I know how to wash and scrub